What's good, guys? Welcome to trade week out of day. Today is Tuesday, 21st July 2026. I'm gonna go over today, especially in the one trade I ended up taking today. I made $505 traded the Nasdaq. Let's get into it. The summer win streak keeps on going, and they can't stop me. So let's get into it. Fucking A plus day, holy textbook day. Let's get into it, guys. Okay. Well, first of all, P&L scheme like that. Yeah. Really got fucked by Trump last week, but honestly, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go over trade by session and explain my reason behind the trade. Super A plus day again, guys. This last price action of July, it's been freaking amazing. Honestly, I can't even complain. But yeah, let's just get into it, right? So, comment of the day, I did have a bullish bias. Reason for this is that we had this daily for buy gap, as you guys see right here. I really wanted to see that get taken, but unlucky. It was unlucky how pre-market literally took all of the allure right here, leading up to the daily for buy gap. So couldn't really get my entry. I mean, that was my A plus scenario, but so you guys know, you need to adapt to the market. So that's what I did today. Okay. So yeah, at open, literally we were super freaking high. We tapped the daily for buy gap right here, right? And after that, we literally freaking dumped crazy. Okay, we dumped crazy. I did not want to see any entry right here. Reason for this is that well, of course, we were inside of a 5-minute for buy gap. Also, I wanted to see just a little bit more confirmation. You guys know I'll take megs, but I'm not the biggest meg fan. I really want to see a little bit more of confirmation, and yeah, that's just what my thought process was behind this. Okay, I really just want to see a little bit more confirmation. Those times I'm taking a meg are just whenever I'm feeling like super freaking confident that it's just like, bro, there's no way this is failing. Okay, but I mean, yes, as you guys see here, had reasons to go higher. So we got this triple relative equal highs. So didn't really want to mess with that, even though we had bearish SMTs. So yeah, okay. After that, what do? We do tap inside of this 50-minute for buy gap right here, right? It was already mitigated at open. Okay, so I wasn't like, well, not at open, at pre-market, my bad, but I still really thought this was just not gonna hold, of course. But that's why I ended up taking my trade. I remember I took a trade like this like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, where I was inside of a 50-minute bullish for buy gap, and I took a short, and it all comes to discretion and actually real understanding key moments of key levels. Okay, so at first we had a little bit of reaction, right, of the fair buy gap. So I was like, okay, let me see how this holds. Okay, but once I start seeing that this 1 minute for bearish fair buy gap is winning against the 50-minute for buy gap, I'm like, okay, bro, we are damn bearish. Okay, I didn't really care about the equal highs on ES since we have the SMT protecting those highs. So for me, those highs seem protected. Okay, now I took my entry at the 1 minute embers with ACISD. This gave even more confirmation for me to enter the trade. Okay, so yeah, okay, all right, so I went with my break even at the low hanging fruit, as I normally do. Okay, this was high. This was a 5-minute intermediate low, so I could have seen a little reversal, especially on how choppy price was. Okay, I also was kind of waiting for the for this 50-minute intermediate low get tapped on ES, right? But that happened way later once I hit already TP. So I was like, okay, I'm fine, you know. So I did I didn't get my entry right here, right? Since how fucking shit the entry was, I was having a negative RR. So I did wait it for price to tap this 1 minute for buy gap, and then get a little reaction of it and then get my entry of it, right? So yeah, super confident on the setup overall. Once I saw this, I was like, okay, 100% we are this is Mac and TP. I went risk heavy on this. So yeah, as you guys see right here, I went break even. I was still kind of thinking about maybe putting my stop back to this high, because I could have seen a little little retrace back to my stop, get me out, and then distribute to my DOL. So I was kind of waiting for price maybe to have a little retrace back up to move my stop higher, since I still was super confident on the setup, as I said. But I didn't even need that, okay, and we freaking smack that TP, okay. Pretty textbook day, honestly, guys. I mean, just freaking beautiful price action. Yeah, I don't think I'm missing out on any other trade overall. I mean, there is this 1 minute IFVG bullish inverse for buy gap. I don't think this is by any means a good trade, since you are literally just targeting high resistance. If you took this, honestly, you need to study more. But I didn't really see anything taking this, so glad, happy for that. And yeah, that will be pretty much it for today. As you guys know, I'm still on vacation, having these beautiful views to the beach over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but hold up, but yeah, this win streak keeps on going, guys. Win streak is freaking insane, keeps on going, and super glad for that, okay. So yeah, let's keep it going, guys. As you guys know, if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, you guys are missing out. I'm gonna post my live execution on there, so if you guys go check that out. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it for the recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to the beach and spend the rest of my day with this beautiful TP, okay. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys. Peace out. Peace.